This is the YouTube Bigger Wins Mystery Box version 8, $220. Let's get into it and see what we got. Do we think it's going to be another Classic Army? If it was like the last one, I wouldn't mind. But let's just get into it. What do we got here? $220 box. YouTube Bigger Wins version 8. What we have, cardboard. I like the cardboard. Come on. We have 2 boxes. First one, like last time, is a Lancer Tactical sight. So we'll dig into that in a second. We will set this right there. This is not a Classic Army box. Thank you, Jesus. This is a Lancer Tactical Gen 2. I got the same box before for that Lancer Tactical, but it was a little bit bigger. I didn't get that in the mystery box either. So, what is this? It's kind of small box. We got a target, some stickers. Ready? Come on, this is a win. This is a win. We got Lancer Tactical 20 BBs for target practicing in here. We've got Lancer Tactical patch. Don't have one of those. We will keep that. Ready? It's not a Scarab. It is the Battle X, the 9mm. This thing is awesome. Come on. Look at that. I like that. A little sticker fell off when you're watching. Oh, this thing is small. Comes with a mag. What do y'all think? Check that out. Come on. That is sexy right there. Oh, it's full polymer. Light. This thing is so light. Fire selector's only on the left hand side. It's got the flat trigger. Pop up sights. It's polymer too. Rotary hop up. Does it do it? No, doesn't do it. Doesn't stay locked back. Nope. Oh, dude, what do y'all think? Let me show this box. Come on. What do y'all think? How does this? Oh, yeah, look at that. It's spring loaded. Come on. I like that. This thing is tiny. Good for CQB. Throw me a little silencer on it. If I'm not mistaken, this is the performance model. So it also comes with a 6.03 unicorn barrel in it with a unicorn bucking. Oh, this thing is going to be amazing. What's y'all's thoughts on that, huh? That's a win. I think that's a win. I think this comes in at only like $220 something, maybe on sale. I paid $220 for the box. So I basically paid for the gun, but free shipping, which shipping is usually $40 for these things. So $220 for that, which covers this. And then if it's the same sight as I've been getting in the Bigger Wins mystery boxes, this is $39, $34, something like that. I don't know, I'll put it right here. But come on. Sweet, we gotta put a battery in this and see how it does. Let y'all look at it. Check it out. Okay, so then we're back. I got the Lancer Tactical BBs that was sent with the .20s. Get that off of there. The .20s that came with it, I put in there, and I'm gonna shoot real quick through the chrono to see what they shoot, see what it shoots straight out of the box. Let's see. It's on safe. Okay, back on safe. 344 feet per second at 1.1 joules. Kind of fluctuated a little bit. That's with .20s in it. That is awesome. This is what it sounds like straight at the camera. There we go. Now let's go full auto. I think this battery might be half dead. Come on. I like it. What do y'all think? Lancer Tactical Battle X, the 9mm CQB. Come on. I didn't lose no money. And with the sight, I come out on top. And the sight that come in the box, double unboxing. Got an Allen wrench, rag, battery, got a riser. And yes, I think it's the one I was thinking of. It's the same exact one. Lancer Tactical red dot. Right there. Put all that back in there. So we got the red dot. The Lancer Tactical CQB. I think we did pretty good. I cannot wait to take this out tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. See, we're gonna throw 25s, 28s in it. We're gonna run with it. Make sure all the batteries are charged up. I really like this stock. This thing is like super light. It's almost as light as my Mark 23 pistol. I mean, it's not that light, but just about. Oh my goodness. And I think I'm gonna like this stick mags in my plate carrier. Come on. BBs everywhere. Two positions there. And then wide open. Yeah. So it's either in or out. But for CQB, you know. Come on, let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? You know, you didn't get a whipping stick in that one. Huh. Anyway, I was super pumped. It's got the unicorn barrel in it with the unicorn bucking. I'm gonna take it out in the morning and let you see what it looks like. Throw a camera on it. We're gonna run a round or two with it. Let's see what you think. See you in the next one.